Space isn't completely silent. While sound can't travel through the vacuum, it's filled with plasma, atoms, dust, and gas that carry subtle pressure waves. These waves ripple through the cosmos like faint vibrations in an ocean, creating a haunting symphony of low rumbles and eerie whooshes. Astronomers translate these waves into sound, giving us an audible glimpse into the activity of planets, stars, and black holes. Now, consider the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest known structure in the universe, stretching 10 billion light-years across. Light would take nearly 70% of the universe's age to cross it, challenging our understanding of cosmic formation. From our tiny planet, it's hard to grasp its vastness. This wall is so immense, it stretches the limits of our imagination.